Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing this battery backup in our Verizon home phone system. This backup battery is used when the electricity to your house goes out, say in an emergency. This will continue to power your home phone. So very important, especially for emergencies, so we need to take care of it. Luckily, it is in fact something that even I can do. In order to get started, you'll need to remove the door that's covering the battery. That should just slide to the left. However, I found it a little bit difficult to get off. It was as if it was latched near the top and the bottom. So I grabbed a screwdriver and just stuck it into the crack there and popped it to the left. And then that freed the door up so that I could slide it off. After you remove the main door, there's a secondary door that also needs to be removed. If you don't remove it, the battery won't come free. So just slide that towards you. It should come off easily. Next, unplug the modular clip that goes into the unit from the battery. Once you've done that, the battery should slide out easily towards you. After you remove the battery, unplug the two modular clips from the battery. You can do this by hand, or you might need to use some needle nose pliers if it's in there tight. Replacement batteries are available at Amazon. I have a link below. Or if you want to spend a little more money, you can buy it directly from Verizon. Using the wire from the old battery, reconnect the black and red plugs to the new battery by sliding each one forward as shown. Now slide the battery back into the unit with the top of the battery to the right. Grab a hold of the modular clip and insert. Okay, we're ready to reinstall our secondary door, so line up the grooves and just slide it forward. Lastly, we'll attach the main door, so again, line up the grooves, set it into place, and then slide to your right until it snaps into place. Okay, that is it for today. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that subscribe and a like if you can do that. Most appreciated. That is all we have for today. Now make sure you dispose of your battery in the proper way. But other than that, until next time, this has been Steve for things that even I can do.